Good evening, all. Coming to you with the deliverable out of our Monday meeting around the hard reset, and that is the tour script. And I want to actually walk you through and give you a little bit of an understanding as to how this has been built. And again, this is the script that we are going to start working from. And over time, with your feedback, this will evolve. And we talked about on Monday what story we're telling ourselves and whether we are willing to be inconvenienced. And we're going to start practicing next week. And this is where we all have to commit to evolving and delivering an experience that our prospective students deserve and expect. So let me walk you through the script. A couple of things I want to call out. Each of these segments have a name. So this one is set the stage. And under each of the segment names, you're going to see a purpose. That is kind of your trigger for what you are looking to conquer in that section. And then you are going to see a blue sentence down at the bottom under some of the bolded statements. That blue question is kind of a reminder for you to kind of stop and maybe reinforce, re-engage, or confirm something that the prospective student has stated. You will also see throughout the script there are bolded phrases. Over time, as this script evolves with your help and support, those bolded phrases may become the framework that we are using in the future. So, really excited to get this launched. It's going to take the commitment to stripping it down in your own process and committing to this script so we can recondition and build back habits that are going to make us a really dynamic group in the future. All right, the next piece that I would like to call out in the script is the core 7. So we talked about the core 7 on Monday, which is a combination of our core 4, that's creating eye contact, sharing a smile, speaking enthusiastically, and making a connection. And then we also shared the 3 behaviors that make up our core 7. Those are performing deep discovery, performing confirmation of understanding, and identifying the support system. You will see this sprinkled throughout the script. So here is an example of the second behavior, performing confirmation. It's actually built into the script. So as you follow the script and make it your own over time, you are going to automatically be hitting on those core 7 that are going to be required. All right, there's one other piece that I want to walk you through. And this section, and please know that Bill and the sales enablement team they've been working on this really for every waking moment they have for the last few days. And then, of course, our associate directors and the continued feedback and suggestions that they've been offering to kind of get us to this stage. We all know that one of the areas that we are struggling with is to understand how to earn the right for our students to say yes to investing in themselves. And a lot of times that revolves around our willingness to be comfortable with the funding options. And part of this script is going to offer the most clarity that we've ever had in this space. So here's just a quick sample of when we're ready to start addressing how a student is going to invest in themselves, because we've already confirmed that this is the path. This is a program that we have is one that's going to help them meet their goals. Now we're going to work together to figure out how to help them get funded and invest in themselves. You'll see here, there is one quick question. I know some of you already asked this. How is your credit? And then you'll see right below that is in blue, a tip that says, allow for silence. Let the student process and then engage in the conversation. And what Bill and the sales enablement team have done is kind of map the next steps and how we guide the conversation based on their answer. So I hope this gives you a glimpse into the script that we're going to be rolling out in full on Monday as we launch into our practice week, and some of the reasoning behind how it's been designed. And at the end of the day, we want to create an amazing experience, not only for our students, our prospective students, but for each of you in having meaningful conversations that deliver the impact and outcomes that we expect, that we all show up each day to deliver. So thank you all, and more to come on Monday.